Everyone, it's Tina with Create with Tina. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. I am super excited to show you this scrapbooking kit that is brand new from Stampin' Up called Make a Memory. It comes in this fancy box with all the supplies you need to make a whole bunch of layouts. I actually created 12 pages, and that equals 6 2-page layouts if you're a 2-page scrapbooker. So let me quickly show you what comes in the box. The first is a roll of tear and tape. The second is a pack of these photo-ready 4x6 cards that you can use for accenting your pages. Then you get 14 base pages of cardstock weight pages. I kind of said that weird. That's funny, but it's 14 base pages and they're cardstock weight. Now, you also get the instruction sheet, and what you'll see here is that the instructions they give are very, very loose instructions because this is more of a design on your own, feel the inspiration and go with it kit. On the back, they help you out by telling you the colors that they used in this kit, so if you want to add photo mats or any other little accents, you can. I added very, very little. I just added some cardstock for photo mats. Now, you also get 2 sticker sheets. You actually get 5 or 4, but 3 of them are sentiments, they're titles, and they come in 3 languages, and that's because Stampin' Up! Is a global company, and this kit goes out all over the world. So you can pick which language you're going to use, and then you get a sticker sheet of those branches that you saw right there. And of the 14 base pages, 2 are these striped kind of border prints, and what I did was I cut them into strips so that I could use them as accents on my layout, and I will show you that in just a bit. Now, you also get 3 sheets of die cuts. 2 of them are these tags that you're seeing right here. So you get different tags and you get different banners and a couple of different little frames and journaling pieces. There's 2 of those, but they're not the exact same design. And then you get a full sheet of what I call icons, all different kinds of themed images that you can use to create these layouts. And I love it because you can use this, you can scatter this amongst several albums, several years. You can use this as a double page layout. You can use these as single page layouts, whatever you want, because the variety of the icons is so many. Now here's a sampling of all of the base pages. So there's 14 total. I cut 2 apart, that left 12. So now you see where I came up with my 12-page kit. And I'm quickly going to show them to you, and what you're going to see is there's very few that are exactly alike, which means it was very fun to put this layout together using similar colors where each base page was just a little bit different, but I think you're going to like what I did and see how I put them all together. It was such a fun kit, and don't worry, I will have a guide available for you guys. Now here they are. Here's all 12 pages, and right here on the first layout you can see how I use those border strips. They just add a perfect accent to the page. You'll see those icons. That camera is one of the die cuts, the heart is a die cut, then that sentiment, these moments, that's one of the stickers. And then you see those branches. What I did to make those kind of pop off the page was I used my embossing buddy to make the top half of the sticker not sticky. So it adds dimension to your layout without adding bulk, and I didn't have to use any extra product. I just used what I had. I also included gems. So the main things I did include with this kit that are extra were the rhinestone gems and cardstock for my photo mats, and then I used dimensionals. Okay, so there are lots of pages here, and what I also want you to see is that most every layout I created uses standard size photos, 4x4, 4x6, or 3x4. I almost completely use those. I use those almost exclusively because those are easy to print. Whether you're printing at home or sending your photos off, those are the easiest sizes to print. So you'll see lots of photos on every layout, but they're all standard sizes. Now, you'll also see how I use those 4x6 photo cards. This one is a journaling card, so you have journaling spaces all in there ready to go. So I'm going to link all the supplies needed for this kit down below. And if you are already a scrapbooker, you probably have a few of these supplies on hand, like your foam tape, the silver gems, even page protectors, an album to put them in. But if not, the cart link is going to show you everything. And if you want to make this kit, feel free to order the supplies from my website, any of them that you need, and I will go ahead and get that guide sent to you. Now here's an idea of what my guide looks like. It comes with the supply list, it comes with cutting guide, it comes with an assembly guide for each photo to make it super quick and easy to put all these pages together. So just let me know if you buy the supplies and I'll send you the guide. You can message me on Facebook, you can use the contact form on my website, or leave a comment here and I'll reach out to you, whichever is easiest for you. So thanks for watching. I hope you're inspired and I would love to hear your feedback. Bye.